Imagine your business as a complex machine where every part plays a role, but some are absolutely critical. At Nexus Global, we understand that not all assets are created equal. Some systems are the backbone of your operation, directly affecting safety, production, and compliance. That's why our risk intelligence for critical assets approach zeroes in on what matters most. We help you identify which assets carry the highest risk and ensure your maintenance strategies are aligned with your business goals. Instead of spreading resources thin, you focus on the areas that truly impact your bottom line. This means less wasted effort, fewer unexpected failures, and more reliable performance across your organization. We connect the dots between data and decisions, and that's how we deliver results. We combine historical performance, risk assessments, and real-world insights to give you a clear picture of where to act. By understanding both the likelihood and the consequences of failure, you can make smarter decisions that improve uptime, reduce costs, and keep you compliant with industry standards like ISO 55000 and RCM standard SAJA 1011. With Nexus Global, you're not just maintaining assets, you're building a stronger, more resilient business. Discover how risk intelligence for critical assets can help you stay ahead, make better investments, and power smarter, safer operations every day. Nexus Global, powering smarter, safer, more reliable performance.